In this video, we're going to be looking at similar shapes, and we're going to be looking at how to work out the area of a shape that is similar. So here we have two parallelograms, A and B. Okay, shape A has this side here, it's equal to 4 centimeters, and shape B has the same side here or similar side here, and it's equal to 6 centimeters. As I've already said, they're similar shapes. Okay. Area of A, so the whole area of this shape A is 28 centimeters squared. So what is the area of shape B? So first of all, you need to figure out the scale factor between the two. Okay, so first of all, what we do is we do 6 over 4 to figure out how much bigger shape B is than A. 6 over 4 is 1.5. So shape B, the side here, this side is 1.5 times larger than that one. Okay, but the next thing we've got to do before we just jump into it, okay, this is where most students make mistakes. Remember that areas are not in one dimension, they are in 2 dimensions, it's 2D. Okay, so for example here, see this rectangle, we have a length and a width. Okay, now this here on the right is a similar rectangle. The length is 1.5 times bigger, but the width is also 1.5 times bigger. So you're timesing it by 1.5 2 times. Okay, so the area is going to be 1.5 times bigger times 1.5 times bigger. You have to times it twice. Okay, so the answer to the question above is that it's going to be 28, which was the area of this one, the smaller parallelogram, times by 1.5 times by 1.5 again, okay, and then you get 63 centimeters squared. Hope that made sense. Any questions, just leave them down in the comment section below.